Hello friends, welcome to Ashwini Sparkles YouTube channel. The main aim of this channel is you are very clear in terms of aptitude and reasoning to crack any competitive exam. Friends, in the previous video we discussed about important topic that is calendars and their importance in competitive exams and campus recruitment tests. Today we are going to discuss ages, which is the most important topic in all competitive exams as well as in campus recruitment tests. In competitive exams, at least 2 to 3 questions from ages. So let's give about introduction on ages. Generally, friends, age is as asked as what is age if 5 years ago, after 10 years, what is present age like this. Generally, the problems will be, for example, present, past, future, like this. What is present age, what is past age, what is future age. This is basic concept. 1, 2, 3. These three are main basic concept to solve ages problems. So, if question is there, take present age at any time as x only. If we ask past, for example, if you have to assume in question past age or 5 years ago or 5 years before, then we have to subtract x by something number. For example, 5 years ago or 5 years before. If it is future, then we have to add x plus 5. 5 years after or 5 years or hence. If question is like after or hence, it means future. We have to add positive number. If question is ago or before, we have to subtract from present age. So these are the three main basic concepts in solving ages problems. Generally, here guys, the problems on ages does not involve many tricks, but it depends on how we implement the condition, how we implement the conditions, how the ability of a person to do the question. It is simply understanding only, not involve tricks. So guys, and third and fourth important, this is first point, second point, third point, and fourth point is asked in terms of n times of x. For example, n times of present age, n times of past age, n times of future age, etc. Like this they ask in the competitive exams. So guys, let's see the problems. This is only main concept of ages. Using this we can do many problems, but implementing the question is on how we implement the question and apply different conditions as per the understanding of the question. So guys, let's do some problem on ages. So here what he ask, what is Aman's present age? Here present age. If after 20 years his age will be 10 times of his 10 years back. So I already take present age as x only. So Aman's present age is let be x. If after 20 years, so after future, it becomes x plus 20. And it has 10 years back. So 10 years back. Then it is means ago, that is x minus 10. Now what condition he gave? His age will be 10 times of his age 10 years back after 20 years, that is x plus 20 equal to 10 of x minus 10. This is the condition. After 20 years his age will be 10 times of 10 years back. This is our condition. So solve for x. So solve for x equal to, so x plus 20 equal to 10x minus 10. So 9x equal to 120, x is equal to 13.3. Nothing but 13 years 3 months. This is the correct figure. And next we will do another problem. So it is in the form of ratio. So simple. The ratio present is of Pranav and Ramu. So given that, let Pranav be P, Ramu be R. The ratio is like 4 and 5. Let 4x by 5x. And give that if 5 years ago the ratio of the age is 7:9. So 5 years ago means 4x minus 5 minus 5x minus 5 equal to 7 by 9. So let's solve for x. 4x minus 5 into 9. 7 into 5x minus 5. So x is equal to 45 minus 35 equal to 10. So this is not our required answer. X is equal to 10. Not our required answer. He asked present age of Pranav and Ramu. So it is 4x is 5x. That is 40 and 50. 40 and 50 are the ages of Pranav and Ramu respectively. So we will do another problem. So guys, in the question give, Nisha is 15 years elder to Romi. So Nisha is 15 years elder to Romi. Let Romi age will be y. Then Nisha age will be y plus 15 because Nisha is 15 years elder than Romi. And question was, Nisha was 3 times as old as Romi. If 5 years ago, so 5 years ago. 5 years ago Romi age will be y minus 5. I already told that. Nisha age will be y plus 15 minus 5. That is y plus 10. So what he give? Nisha was 3 times as old as Romi. So 3 times of Romi equal to Nisha. That is y plus 10 equal to 3 times of y minus 5. That is y plus 10 equal to 3y minus 15. So y equal to 12.5. So Nisha age is y plus 15. So Nisha age equal to y plus 15. That is 12.5 plus 15. So our final answer is 27.5 years. Nothing but 27 years 5 months. This is the required answer. This is the way of solving problems. So guys, I am telling key points. For any problem, take present age as x and future age as x plus positive number, and past age x minus something number. So these are 3 main points in solving ages. Thank you guys.